Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate. To begin, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need cocoa powder, powdered sugar, a fat like butter or coconut oil, and a splash of milk or cream. Make sure you have a heat-safe bowl and a small saucepan for melting. Accurate measurements are key for delicious results, so take your time with each ingredient. Now, let's combine our ingredients. Gently melt about 2 tablespoons of butter or coconut oil in your heat-safe bowl, placed over a saucepan with simmering water. Once melted, whisk in 1/4 cup of cocoa powder and 1/2 cup of powdered sugar until there are no lumps. Then, add 1 tablespoon of milk or cream, stirring continuously until the mixture is wonderfully smooth and glossy. This is where you can get creative and customize your chocolate. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that familiar, comforting taste. If you like, add optional mix-ins such as chopped nuts, dried fruit, or even a pinch of sea salt for a gourmet touch. Once everything is well combined, pour the warm chocolate mixture into a prepared mold or a small, parchment-lined dish. The final step is to chill your homemade chocolate. Place your mold or dish into the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until it is completely firm. Once set, you can easily break or cut the chocolate into delicious pieces. Store any leftover chocolate in an airtight container at room temperature for a few days or in the fridge for longer enjoyment. Enjoy your easy, homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.